What's the best parrot for beginners? Part 4, Amazon edition. It's going to be a real hard sell on this one for beginners. As you can see, they're noisy. They're prone to aggression and one-person birds. If you were going to pick an Amazon as a pet for a beginner bird person, an orange-wing Amazon probably has a better attitude, although they're not quieter at all. But something like a double yellowhead? No, that's for experienced bird people. I hear mealy Amazons are nice. I hear Cuban Amazons can be nice. But outside of orange wings, mealies, and Cubans, I'm going to recommend you stay away from them. They're really doing a good job of showing off how I cannot recommend them for beginner bird people. It's usually not very quiet when you have to take a phone call. This is my life now. And unless you want this for yourself, think twice before you get an Amazon. If you're a quiet person, they can be comfortable around you, but if you have a loud, boisterous house, they'll never calm down, ever. So it's a no for me.